Hey guys, we're out here in New Hampshire.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
So today I am in New Hampshire with 3 of my best friends slash family. My cousin, my best friend, and her little sister, who's also my best friend and my little sister. I thought I would vlog today because it's gonna be a fun day. We're going horseback riding. The 4 of us together are a little bit nutty and it might be entertaining for you. Give you a little Airbnb tour. Let's get into it. Oh, hey, come on in. Jenny has done all the cooking. I've cleaned some dishes, so I see. To your left, come up these stairs. And this is where we sleep. This is my bed. To the far right, Colleen's bed. And then the 2 lovers' bed. As you can tell, I obviously read a lot. I have a lot of books. I am very literate. She knows how to read. And then if we come back down, this is our laundry. We did laundry once. We washed our towels. Are you proud of us? This is where we eat all of our meals that Jenny cooks for us. This is where our stuff goes. This is where we watch Twilight. Yes, some of these people have never watched Twilight before, so we had to enlighten them. Some extra towels. I'm not gonna go in there because I don't know who's naked. This is locked, so we don't really know what that could be. And then the last room in the house, we have our dressing room. That's what we have called it. And then this is me and Casey's bathroom. It's obviously the nicest, because we obviously got the nicest one, obviously. And that's the tour. Hey, we're here.
My ass cheeks are in pain. My ass cheeks are in pain.
Okay, we're going riding. Who's excited?
I'm excited!
Woo! Hey!
Horseback riding. Horseback adventure.
I'm looking for Frank. Thanks. Okay, we'll see you there.
When I was younger, I used to wonder, like, if I was singing songs, just to sing the songs. If I was singing, cause that's what the wanted. I couldn't play guitar like Van Halen. Had no secret chords like St. David. But you still came around, ate your lunch with me. Used to park your car to try the bus with me. But
How was everybody's horseback riding experience?
I loved it.
Amazing.
Super
It was
epic.
beautiful.
We give 10 out of 10.
10 horseshoes out of 10.
What up, vlogsters? Vlog squad. We're on a hike right now in the rain, but it's barely raining. And it's gonna be 900 feet elevation. I'm the least in shape of the group, so I'm wheezing a little bit. But it's been a good day so far, and we're really working our legs out today. I'll update you later, so I don't die. I'm wearing matching hats in case you couldn't tell. We're gonna make merch one day.
crazy. I plead insanity. Crazy for you, baby. Crazy, nah.
How we feeling?
Pretty good. Sweaty.
How you feeling, Colleen?
I'm feeling good. Very good.
She's so energized.
We're
I'm
only
feeling
1/4
sweaty.
done.
Yeah. What's our elevation looking like?
We have gone up 654 feet.
Oof.
Okay, so like 350 left.
Damn. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again. Soldier boy. We made it, guys. We made it. Madeline's so happy.
Guys, I have service up here.
So do I.
You're not special. Literally just climbed 1,000 feet of elevation in 46 minutes.
So are beasts.
Crazy. I plead insanity. Crazy for you, babe.
Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jenny.
I'm naked.
First thing about being chef is you're just gonna only wear socks. You're gonna only wear socks and nothing else. Nude cooking with the girls. Anyways, we tricked you guys. We have bathing suits on. See, we are not the nude. What are you doing? Trying to show that I'm not naked. Oh, people below us hate me. Right now we got the water boiling. Chef Jenny's going at it. She's making this gourmet pasta from Italy. And this.
It's like a bowl of turds.
This is our other gourmet from KFC biscuits. Stale, probably. We look like wet rats. We had a good day. What do you have to say?
We hiked an incredibly good hike. Very fast, actually. It said it would take 2 hours up and down, and it took us like an hour and like 30 minutes, or an hour and 25 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
So we're beasts.
It would have been quicker if it weren't for me. I had the rest.
No, you're very good.
It was honestly my ankles. I think I have weak ankles. But going down, I was like...
The billy goat. You can have chips if you want. What are you doing to me?
We went to the community pool that we're staying at. This Airbnb has a bunch of good stuff for us to use.
This is the best Airbnb.
Yeah, especially if you're a family. I feel like it has tennis courts, pools, hot tubs, sauna.
A little gym, very tiny.
Yeah,
though.
the gym is lacking, but it's okay. We're on vacation, and I think a 6-mile hike
Yeah, that's enough.
good enough of a workout.
The hot tub was literally the best thing afterward because it feels
I
amazing
recommend.
on your muscles.
After you do something active, if you have a hot tub, go find one. Or go sit in the hot bathtub. Feels so good.
Scalding hot bathtub.
I feel like my legs hurt less. Now Jenny's gonna cook dinner. You can't take credit for that.
Prepare the mac and cheese.
She's Chef Jenny.
The most difficult meal.
We're gonna eat at the dinner table like a good family. And then we're gonna watch Twilight.
Number 2.
Number 2, I don't think I've ever seen it.
Only Madeline has.
So, it'll be epic. And the hike today was giving Twilight vibes. Well, we will see you when dinner is prepared. Night. I'll just let you guys do the talking.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Bye. It's been real. There's a few days later. I forgot to end the vlog, but we are leaving now. It was a great trip. I love these ladies so much. And now this one's going off to college. And now we have to drive 6 hours home. Yay!
New Hampshire was so much fun.
Why is it dark? We love you, New Hampshire. We'll be back one day, maybe in the fall.
In the fall. Women's
or Vermont.
Retreat 2K22.
Yeah. Women's Retreat 2023 is coming soon.
Party!
Goodbye.
Bye.
And then we have the Jordans.
I'm putting makeup on.
She's
Can you not come eat here?
Make money, take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bill money. Heard they got life for me.